but this is an add-on to Dynamics 365 Cloud Platform.
Yep, it is. So we are fully embedded. That means that we are written inside of the Dynamics environment, and that is of course two major advances. One is that the infrastructure for all the IT folks on the broadcast here,
Hmm.
that it's in the same system. There's nothing else to back up. It's not another access system that they have to control. It's really built into it, which makes it much easier
Hmm.
to manage.
Hmm.
Um, so for them, it's really the good thing for the user perspective. It's the look and feeling. You
Hmm.
get the same look and feeling in your entire organization,
Hmm.
and it's not like you can get operation people going into the PLM piece
Hmm.
of it because it looks like any
Hmm.
other screen, and then they can look at the data directly
Hmm.
there. So you get that transparency, and
Hmm.
then of course providing all the engineering data, so all the drawings in the right revision, all that without having to do a lot of uh, manual effort. That's really the benefit here. You don't have to go and look for on a drive
Hmm.
for a drawing. You just
Hmm.
simply click one button, and then whoop, then you have the right revision that
Hmm.
you need for doing your job. And that's the kind of visibility that really makes sense when you are inside of an ERP system.
Mhm. Well, I'm a huge fan of the user experience when it comes to, software platforms, and frankly, huge fan of user experience on everything. And that brings additional benefits when you do that. If you're operating inside a system with which everyone is familiar, it has the same or similar look and feel, and you're able to seamlessly stay within the tool as much of your day as possible, then you're able to onboard users more quickly. The
Hmm.
training is less intensive, and there's less time wasted switching from tool to tool, going from place to place, as you said. So it brings other benefits beyond just the engineering change. It's really more administrative. It's really more day-to-day productivity as well.